concentrating on the percentile rank of May, ito yung score niya. Memorize this conversion formula. Z is equal to X minus mu, the mean, over the sigma. So your sigma here is 120 because it's the given standard deviation in the problem. And the score of May is 364, so that's the X. Now 342 is the mu. We have 364 minus 342 over 120. Express your Z in 2 decimal place because our table is in 2 decimal place. Now, yung percentile rank, this is actually the area under the table na area under the table. If this is the standard normal distribution, normally it's mu is the center and is also 0 for the standard normal distribution. Now, 0.18 is to the right of 0. And percentile rank is actually, to get the percentile rank, this is the shaded region should be at the left of your Z. Now, lahat ng nasa table nyo, lahat yan less than. So, if you look at the table, where is your table? We have 0.18. So, you look at 0.8. 0.18 pala. Look at 0.1. Okay? And the column should be 0.8. So, that is actually the 0.18. The 0.1 and the 0.08. So, 0.18 yan. Now, what is the intersection? We have 0.5714. That's why this area here is actually 0.5714. Now, the percentile rank is expressed in the percent form of this. So, we have 57.14 percentile or 57.14%. There.